And it's been a rough 2012 for some Wisconsin residents who basically coughed their way through the year. Federal health officials say there have been more than 5,700 confirmed and probable cases of whooping cough as of a week ago. That's more than any other state and is more than 10% of the national total of 40,000 cases this year. Last year, state officials say there were just 1,200 cases reported in the state. The highly contagious respiratory disease has occurred in 1 out of every 1,000 Wisconsin residents. That is also the highest rate in the country and more than 7 times the national average.